Gotta pick up the flyers. Good to go. Before I get out there, I want to map out my signs because this is up in the mountains and a lot of times people just get lost. And we're off. Time to open up the gates. There are over 50 acres here, so there's lots to see. Now that we're here, the first thing we have to do is turn on all the lights and make sure all the toilet seats are down. Super fun. It's almost time. Now we wait. So we're almost all finished. I've got one straggler out there somewhere on the acreage trekking it. But right now I'm just gonna walk around, turn off all the lights, lock all the doors. There were 8 total groups that came by, and while that may not sound like a bunch of people, I will tell you that 8 groups through an open house is solid. It gives you the opportunity to actually talk with people, answer their questions, really talk about the property in the area. I would take 8 groups through an open house over like 20 or 30 any day. So that's all for now. Have a great Sunday. Oh yeah, and it was Super Bowl Sunday and we had so many people come through. That's a win. That's a win.